Today, I encountered a strange issue. My gas cylinder regulator wasn't pushing the cylinder valve down properly, which stopped the gas. Let's see how to fix this. First, I carefully removed the regulator from the cylinder. I noticed that the regulator pin was slightly too short to fully engage the valve. Everything has been working fine with previous cylinders, but this one caused a problem today. Upon inspection, I realized that because the pin was too short, it couldn't push the valve down, blocking the gas flow. Watch the video until the end to see how I resolved this. I adjusted the pin so that it could properly press down on the valve. Finally, I reinstalled the regulator onto the cylinder and tested it. Now the gas flow is back to normal and the stove is working perfectly.